There's one thing that gets brought up with life insurance: death. It's an uncomfortable topic. And trust me, I know, and all these other life insurance agents know. Hey there again, CF, my insurance people. Today, we're going to talk about a touchy and sensitive topic: life insurance. Now, as an insurance agent, you know I'm going to say you need life insurance, but you need life insurance. I'm just going to say it. There's one thing that gets brought up with life insurance: death. So whether you're thinking about your own demise or a loved one's, let's get into this and see what's covered and why I think you should have a policy, not only on your life, but your loved ones. When we first start collecting information, it's an uncomfortable topic. And trust me, I know, and all these other life insurance agents know. When we discuss an untimely passing, especially of a loved one, it is very sensitive, can bring emotions, but we need to talk about it. Here at My Insurance People, we have a plethora of options with life insurance to include term life, whole life, universal life, and final expense. One of those four types of insurance will work for you best, or it might be the stage in life that you are at currently, in which we're discussing term life over whole life. What is life insurance? Life insurance is a financial safety net for you or loved ones, again, in an untimely passing for you or loved ones. So the two main forms of life insurance, there are plenty of options out there, trust me, are term life and whole life. Term life is exactly how it sounds. Do you want a term of 5, 10, 15, 25, and so on years for a set coverage amount? Or would you rather look into a whole life option? Maybe you're a young fella or young lady and you need to look into life insurance now while you're in college, while you're in school, or starting your career. Costs can be lower for a whole life policy if you start them at a younger age. Term life is usually more beneficial because you get to set your term and your coverage amount, but the term life premiums can go up over time. Term life can be more appealing because maybe you're thinking about life insurance at 50 years of age, but again, with whole life insurance, it's best to start at an earlier age. And what about the final expense policies? Final expense policies are exactly what it sounds like. It will provide the necessary money to bury your loved one and pay for final expenses. So what does life insurance cover? It covers burial, final expenses, outstanding debts, college tuition, whatever the family may need. Also, life insurance can cover the lost income from the untimely passing of your loved one. How much life insurance do you need? It depends on a few things: your income, your debts, and your assets. If your surviving spouse, in this example, is left behind without your income, what will supplement your income? I'll tell you: a life insurance policy. Are you hiding from talking about life insurance? Well, don't. Let us start talking about this. As uncomfortable as it is, it's just a conversation. At My Insurance People, we're lucky to be partnered with so many life insurance carriers, options, and coverage levels. We believe here it's just one phone call, one conversation, some information to take down, and let us get to quoting for you. As I always say, quotes are free. So all you need to do is call us, text, email, and we'll get that quote out to you in a jiffy. If you saw this as information dense, or you just liked the video, please like and subscribe our channel, or call me 540-401-6789. Email me at cf@myinsurancepeople.com, and let's get this thing going. Whether you're curious or just looking to replace your existing policy, we'd love none other than to have that initial conversation and assess what you need in life insurance. If you have any questions that maybe you're nervous to ask about, drop them in the comments. We'll look at them and I'll get back in touch with you with some answers. Life insurance is about preparing for the worst. So we look and we aim to be a resource in the community to make life insurance make sense to you. Thank y'all for watching. We'll catch you in the next video.